With the M3 MacBook Air now available at physical and online Apple stores, customers will get at least 6 exclusive features with this new laptop, which Apple calls the best computer for AI. Although it's up to you to decide if the M3 MacBook Air is worth it. Some experts have already reviewed this product and praised its form factor, processor, and battery life. That said, if you're into buying a new M3 MacBook Air, these are 6 features that aren't available on older models. New processor, the M3 processor, is up to 60% faster than the model with the M1 chip and up to 13x faster than the fastest Intel-based MacBook Air. Although it's a small spec bump compared to the M2 chip, there's yet another feature that could be worth an upgrade. Hardware accelerated ray tracing like the M3 MacBook Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro, Apple is adding hardware accelerated ray tracing, which is great for gaming and 3D modeling. Reduced fingerprints, the popular midnight color of the 15-inch M2 MacBook Air, is back for the M3 models, this time with a new anodization seal to reduce fingerprints. Reviewers say this is one of the best features of the M3 MacBook Air. Support for 2 external displays, while older base model Apple Silicon Macs didn't support more than 1 external display. Apple says the M3 MacBook Air works with up to 2 external monitors as long as the MacBook lid is closed. This will also come to the M3 MacBook Pro in a future software update. Improved audio experience, voice isolation, and wide-spectrum microphone modes bring enhanced voice clarity in audio and video calls. Apple says this is an improvement over the previous version. Wi-Fi 6E support. Apple upgraded the Wi-Fi technology in the M3 MacBook Air. You can get better download and upload speeds if you have a newer Wi-Fi modem. Wrap up. These are 6 exclusive features available with the M3 MacBook Air. BGR will let you know if we learn more tidbits about this product. We're also waiting for the OLED iPad Pro and an iPad Air. It's possible that Apple is readying their release for later this month.